Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the Look Fantastic Black Friday Beauty Box here to share with you. This is what it looks like. It costs £35, but if you are a subscriber, then you can have £5 off if you use code BFBOX. It contains 11 products and it has a value of £151. It's available on the Look Fantastic website now. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then you'll find a link to it as well as the codes down below in my description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and it's literally just come through the door. I've just been out and there was a parcel waiting for me, so I thought I'll do a video straight away. So let's get on to opening it up and showing you. So we got a booklet, and in here, oh not good. Oh, there's a leakage. Look, there's a leakage. But inside tells you everything there is to know about the products in the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. So let's open it up and see what is leaked. I think it's the Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. I think so. But no, it's not. I haven't got a clue what's leaking. Hold on. There's a puncture in my mask. Look. There's a little puncture hole. It still feels like there's a lot of fluid inside there, so I'm just gonna have to use it tonight. That's all. We've got a 111 Skin Harley Street London sheet mask. This is a rose gold brightening treatment mask formulated using 24 karat colloidal gold. Your skin will be treated to a deeply soothing experience, helping combat external aggressors to leave your skin feeling renewed and refreshed. So that's the first item. Next up, we've got a product from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Myrrh, a loving body cream with sweet orange and cedarwood, and there's 70 mils there. I absolutely love Rituals. I love Rituals, and I know a load of you will already know that because I talk about it all the time. But I have had a few of these recently in different advent calendars that I've unboxed on my channel. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to pass that on as a little gift. It is beautiful. The scent is stunning. Really, really beautiful. And I want to get a rediffuser in this scent. It is really nice. Nourishing your skin from deep within, powered by energizing notes, the cream is detailed with a sweet orange and cedarwood fragrance. Is that? Next up, we've got the Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm for sensitive skins, and there's 30 mils here. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if I've tried this one. Nourish your skin overnight with a smooth, ultra replenishing recover balm. I don't think I have, unless I've tried a little sample a long time ago. It does ring a bell. Next, we've got some conditioning shampoo. This is from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with vitamin E, and we've got 50 mils here. The smell of Palmer's coconut products, stunning, absolutely beautiful. A classic, rich, creamy shampoo, free from sulfates and harsh detergents, gently cleanses and removes build-up without stripping hair or interrupting its delicate moisture balance. It's got a shampoo. Next up, we've got a product from Mine Tan and Body. This is an illuminating facial tan mist. Brilliant. Hydrating facial glow infused with rose water. There's 100 mils here. I love these tanning mists. I do have my favourites. I love the You Tan and Glow, the Jamie Genevieve one. That's amazing. I do really like that. And I love Purity from Saint Tropez. Oh, what? I was just going to spray. Oh, it doesn't matter. I will spray. Oh, that's quite hefty. Oh, that is quite a strong spray. And ideally, I'd go over my face now with a sponge, or else I might have freckle-like marks when it dries down. Doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Enhance your natural glow with this refreshing tan mist. Simply apply to a clean, dry face and allow a few minutes to dry before applying skincare or makeup. Not what I've done. With the U-Tan one I've got, I spray it after my makeup and before, but yeah. So this one to apply before. Next we've got a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. This is in vetiver and grapefruit, and we've got 100 mils here. Oh, so nice. So nice. I got a load of these now. I'm collecting them. Ready for when our new bathroom is all done, which is hopefully before Christmas, but yeah. Any of these that I receive in different boxes or advent calendars I keep. Designed to purify your skin for a cleaner surface that's free from dirt and build-ups. Treat your senses with this Molten Brown Vetiver and Grapefruit Body Wash. So there's that. Next up, we've got a product from Elemis. This is a Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser, and there's 20 mils here. This is really lovely. I've tried it before. It's, yeah, nice cleansing butter for your face. But I've got to be honest, out of all the Elemis ranges that they do, the Superfoods isn't my favourite. I just don't think it's on par with like the Marine Collagen lot. Well, the prices are a big difference, but this is a nice product. Out of the Superfood range, the cleanser is the one I prefer. This buttery formula helps nourish your pores from deep within, leaving your complexion soft and supple to the touch. Is that? Next, we've got a lipstick from Revlon. This is Super Lustrous Lipstick in Rose Wine. It's a pretty colour. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I might already have it. This is a vibrant lipstick that is not only comfortable to wear, but leaves a lasting colour on your pout from dusk till dawn. So there's that. Next up, we've got a lid gloss by Ico London. This is Galactic Lid Gloss in Luna. There's 4 mils there. Can you see that? Wow. That is really pretty, isn't it? Yeah, really, really pretty. If you blend it in, what's it like? You can get a nice sort of satin look eyelid. And it's dry to the touch as well. It's not sticky like with some lid glosses. Yeah, that's quite nice. The convenient applicator smooths the silky liquid eyeshadow all over your lid, saving you time while also allowing you to achieve flawless coverage. Is that? Next up, we've got a face oil. This is a Rose Otto face oil, 100% natural from Balance Me. It's 10 mils here. Got a little roll-on applicator. Ultra hydrating oil that works to calm and fortify skin as it minimises visible signs of aging. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a product by Aurelia London. This is a probiotic blemish hero, targeted purifying paste with Protida, salicylic acid and witch hazel. And there's 15 grams here. There's a little information book. Whoop, it's just fallen out. That's what it looks like there. Combat breakouts without stripping your natural barrier with Blemish Hero Probiotic from Aurelia. Apply directly to the blemish, leave to dry and simply wash off when you're ready to. Oh, okay. I'm going to save that for my children. So those are all the products inside this year's Look Fantastic Black Friday beauty box. I'll just go through them all, doing a bit of a recap. We've got a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. We've got a Ritual of Myrrh Body Cream. We've got a Mind Tan Body Skin, a Facial Tanning Mist. We've got a Ren Evercalm Overnight Treatment Balm. We've got a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Shampoo. Aurelia London Probiotic Blemish Hero. We've got a Revlon Lipstick in shade Rose Wine. We've got an Elemis Superfood Cleansing Butter. We've got a Balance Me Face Oil. Got an Ico London Galactic Lid Gloss. And lastly, 111 Skin Harley Street London Sheet Mask. So the cost of this box is £35 or £30 if you are a Beauty Box subscriber, and it has a value of £151 and contains 11 beauty products. I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this year's box? How does it compare to others? Do you think it will be a sellout? I'd love to hear all your thoughts, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.